What's going on, guys? We are back for another episode on Spooling Up Performance. Today, we're back at MTFP, Middle Tennessee Fab Performance, and we're finally putting on what you guys have been seeing. If you guys are on the Instagram or not, we're putting on the, we're doing up the exhaust. So I got a long X-pipe to delete the factory H-pipe and resonators, and then they're welding up some pipes to put on the tips to get rid of the mufflers. And yeah, we'll give you a look inside the shop, check out other projects that are going on, take a look at the Camaro, and yeah, have some fun. So stay tuned, and we'll see you inside.
That's how I got a $15,000 handmade toolbox. We're not very good.
Everybody's wanting to know what the inside of one of the mufflers look like on these fucking things. It's crazy. Like two different walls opening up into each other.
Alright, so if you can't tell, it looks like there's no tips on the car. It's because there's not. Yesterday, I was at the fab shop. We got the X-pipe put on, and the axle back starting to come back, and we got to a certain point, and I had to run for something that was I had to go back to the house. So after the X-pipe, there's a section that comes out, and then it goes up to the mufflers. I left there, and they were fabricating the straight pipes coming out with the tips on them. So I'm gonna go back there today and get those put on, but the car sounds amazing. I already, this is what it's gonna sound like, maybe a little bit different with the extra length of pipe, but car sounds great. The X-pipe was amazing, super easy to install. If you have a lift, it's a lot easier just to get it up in the air high enough. Car sounds great. These cars should have came from the factory like this, and I'm so happy with the way it sounds. It's got that deep growl to it. I love it. When you rip on this thing, it sounds amazing. But for now, I'm gonna go to the gym, get my workout on, go grocery shopping with the wife, because we both got off today. I'm on leave. That's even great. That's even better, I mean. So I got the next week and a half off, so that's cool. Yeah, so we're gonna head to the gym, and then I'm gonna go pick my son up from school, and we're gonna go to the shop and finish up, because he loves race cars too, so why not bring him? Let's get driving. Oh, it sounds so good. I love it. See if we can get a There's a lot of cars here. Viper, Skyline, this is their drift car. Some old school, got an LQ4 in it, Corvette, another Skyline, 240, Evo, looks like a Porsche or something, G35, 350Zs, another Vet in the back. This place is popping. If you guys need anything, make sure you stop down here, talk to Rusty. Great dude, great prices. Their shop truck over there. They built all the fab cars for that thing. Oh yeah. This one's got a LQ4. Corvette. Skyline, Viper covered up, 240. Drift BMW, 370. I want that right there. Let me get that as a project. Let me get that. Let me get that. This is the guy that's welding the exhaust right now. This is his car. It is, doesn't look like much, but guess what goes there? That goes there with a big old hood exit. So this car actually runs and starts, and it's actually tuned and everything. He just pulled the turbo off and was doing some stuff. And yeah, you'll probably see this one in a video soon because he goes to the track. He's just waiting for, this isn't the actual tires he runs. He has track wheels, but he's waiting for a new rear hatch because someone busted his window. So yeah, he'll have slits on this soon, and you'll see that at the track. A WRX 1 Series. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Just need to clean these up. Alright, it's all finished. He's got everything perfect. He eyeballed this shit too. Fucking spot on. Everything welded up, cleaned up. Good to go. He even made my own custom fucking exhaust hangers real quick. Shit looks good.
Yeah, get those from O'Reilly. There was a black and white one for sale with the Aero package over at the Subaru dealership, man, sitting in the front, dude. Every time I drove by that thing, dude.
Better now.
That does sound good too.
That's way better.
Really good.
I was like tucking out. I'm like, I wonder if it's gonna sound different. It sounds way better, especially through the mid range.
Well, because it pushes it out the back now, so because actually like it underneath of the car is actually it takes up some of the drone. Yeah. Yeah, that sounds good, man.
Fuck yeah, dude. That's just.
That means
Yep. Yeah, that deep tone with a nice cam, dude. I'm not an LS guy, but yeah, mine too.
Yeah.
dude, we ought to put like a stage 3 up in this mode.
Yeah, that's what I was probably gonna do, because stage 4, like daily
for-
driven,
that's
would be
for
too
harsh.
much.
Yeah.
Dude, I can get.
That's going to do it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed the install, some of the videos, the sound clips. More to come. Get the car to the track so you can really hear it, do some burnouts, all sorts of other fun shit. So that's what we're in today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and we will see you later. One more thing. So the group that I'm in locally had shirts made, and they used a picture that I took of us meeting at the gas station for Mexico. And my car's in it, so it's pretty freaking cool. So that's pretty awesome. So I had to get one of these. So pretty awesome. So that'll do it. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. We will see you next time. Peace.